Have you ever found a piece of land that looks perfect, the price seems reasonable, and the seller appears genuine? Then you ask yourself one question: how do I know this land truly belongs to the person selling it? This is where a land search becomes one of the most important steps in any land transaction. Many people have lost millions of shillings because they skipped this process. In this video, I will explain the complete land search process, why it matters, what information you can obtain, and the mistakes that could cost you your investment. Stay until the end because I will also reveal common red flags that many buyers miss during a land search. What is a land search? A land search is an official inquiry conducted through the Ministry of Lands to determine the legal status of a parcel of land. Think of it as a background check on land. Before you buy land, you need to know its ownership, history, and legal status. A land search helps answer critical questions. Who owns the land? Is the seller the registered owner? Is there a loan registered against the property? Is there a court order affecting the land? Are there restrictions or cautions registered against it? Without this information, you could be buying a problem instead of investment. Why is a land search important? Imagine paying millions of shillings for a parcel of land only to discover later that the owner died years ago and no succession process has taken place. The title is fake and the land used as collateral for a bank loan, a property under a court dispute. The land belongs to someone else entirely. Unfortunately, this situation occurs every year. A land search is one of the simplest and most effective ways to reduce such risk. Now let us look at the guide you should follow before buying land. Step 1. Obtain correct parcel information. The first thing you need is the correct parcel number. This can be found on title deed, certificate of title, certificate of lease, official land records. Be careful. Fraudsters sometimes alter parcel numbers or provide documents belonging to different properties. Always verify that the parcel number matches the actual land being shown to you. Step number 2. Request a copy of the title. Document: ask the seller for a copy of the relevant ownership document. Don't rely on photographs alone. Request clear and legible copies. Check: name of the registered owners, parcel number, acreage, registration details. Any inconsistency should raise concern and prompt further investigation. Step number 3. Conduct an official land search. This search can be conducted through the Ministry of Land. The search results will typically show registered proprietor, parcel number, size of the land, restriction if any, caution if any, court order or dispute if any. This information is critical because it comes directly from official records. Number 4. Compare search results with the seller's information. Now compare the seller's information with the search results. Specifically, compare seller's name versus registered names. If they don't match, stop and investigate further. Ask: is the seller acting through a power of attorney? Is the proprietor part of a deceased person's estate under succession? Is the seller an authorized representative? Never assume. Verification is essential. Step 5. Check for encumbrance. An encumbrance is anything that limits ownership rights or affects the use of the property. Examples include bank loans, court orders, restriction, easement, cautions. Many buyers ignore this section. That is a costly mistake. Land with encumbrance may involve significant legal complication. Step number 6. Conduct ground verification. A land search alone is not enough. Visit site and confirm location, boundaries, occupation, access road, existing developments. What appears on the paper should match what exists on the ground. 7. Engage a licensed land surveyor. This is where many buyers make costly mistake. A licensed land surveyor can help verify parcel boundaries, beacon positions, encroachment, actual acreage, parcel identity. A title may be genuine while the boundaries on the ground are inaccurate or dispute. Survey verification help prevent future dispute and costly litigation. 8. Confirm planning and zoning requirement. Some land may have restriction on how it can be used. Confirm whether the land is allowed for residential use, commercial use, agricultural use, industrial use. Never assume you can build anything you want on the parcel of land. Common red flags many buyers miss during a land search. Watch out for sellers rushing the transaction, extremely low prices, refuse to provide the title documents, inconsistency names, missing identification documents, boundary dispute. 7. Occupied land with unclear ownership. If something feels wrong, investigate further. The biggest mistake buyers make. Many people believe that seeing a title deed is enough. It is not. A title deed should be verified. Ownership should be confirmed. Boundaries should be checked. Documents should be reviewed. The land should be physically inspected. That is now informed decisions are made. A land search is not merely formality. It is a protection tool. Before spending your hard-earned time money, verify ownership, confirm boundaries, inspect the property, and seek professional guidance. The cost of verification is small compared to the cost of land dispute. If you found this guide insightful, subscribe to Geospace's Solution channel for practical insights on land surveying, title verification, boundary dispute, and safe land investment. Thank you for watching, and remember, verify first, buy later.